Today we are going to look at how to make two LEDs blink with an Arduino. If you haven't watched the first video on how to make one LED blink with an Arduino, we recommend you start there. For this tutorial, you will need an Arduino, a breadboard, two LEDs, two resistors, and 3 jumper wires. Continuing on from the circuit we made in the last video, we need to add another LED. First insert the negative leg of the LED into the negative rail on the breadboard, and the positive into one of the rows. Next, take the resistor and insert one leg into the same row as the positive leg of the LED, and the other into a free row. Now take a jumper wire, and place one end in the same row as pin 8 on the Arduino, and the other end in the same row as the resistor. With all the parts in place, we can take a look at the code. To start, open up the Blink 1 LED sketch. First, we need to define the second LED pin. To do this, first change LED pin to LED 1. Now copy the first line, change LED 1 to LED 2, and 7 to 8. Now we need to set the pin mode for the pins we are using. First change LED pin to LED 1. Now copy the first pin mode line, but change LED 1 to LED 2. Moving to the loop, to make the LEDs blink alternately, we first need to set LED 1 high, and LED 2 low. First we need to change LED pin to LED 1. Next, copy the first digitalWrite line, and change LED 1 to LED 2, and high to low. Next, we need to do the same for the next digitalWrite lines, but this time set LED 2 to high. With the code finished, it's time to upload it to the Arduino. Plug in a USB cable into the Arduino. Now make sure you have the board and COM port selected in the Tools menu. Now we can press the Upload button. It should only take a few seconds for our sketch to upload. As you can see, our sketch is now running, and the LEDs are blinking alternately. If you wanted to have both LEDs blink at the same time, we just need to change the high and low around in the code. If you have any comments or questions on this video, don't hesitate to ask in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, maybe hit the like button, and consider subscribing to see more.